So Kapiti College is a school of 1,500 on the Kapiti coast. We have students from year 9 to 13, and of those 1,500 students, we have between 50 and 60 international students.
Our upgrade happened during the October school holidays. They replaced all of the network switches and all of the access points, and since then our network's just been humming. Students have been able to just get on and do their work, and it just has worked. Prior to that, our internet had been very patchy. Students were constantly disconnecting from the network, as were staff, which meant staff were hotspotting off their phones just to try and be able to do the role. They were trying to get their students connecting to their phones, and it was just a bit of a nightmare.
I think the big impact that our upgrade has had on students is stuff they're probably not even aware of, that things are running smoothly. I guess that's it with any good system. When it's working, you don't notice. We notice it because we've seen the difference. And what we found with running the exams at the end of last year is nothing was going wrong. We have our IT people sitting around ready to jump in, but the errors that we were dealing with were human error, not around the infrastructure that we have.
Digital learning and digital teaching is absolutely part of the present, and it will be part of the future forever. You can't uninvent it. And I think it will just continue to develop, and probably and hopefully in positive ways that will make it even easier for us to engage our students in learning that's fun, because actually making learning fun is a pretty important way of, I guess, ensuring that kids come to school and achieve when they get here.
As well as the basic bread and butter of online, we've also got some cool technology things that are going on inside the school. We've got our 3D printers and our laser cutters, our film editing suite, and we're able to offer quite a range of different opportunities to our kids because the internet and the network and the technology just works.
Knowing that we can trust things just makes our lives more simple, and we can actually focus on the important things: teaching, educating, making sure they're learning the stuff, not will we be able to trust it.